Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to be working through the first day of Unit 1, Week 1 Grammar in our Treasures program. So today we're going to be talking about sentences and sentence fragments. So a lot of you already know that a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. A complete thought, boys and girls, is a thought that has a subject and a verb, a predicate and a subject, or predicate is another name for a verb. A sentence fragment is a group of words that does not express a complete thought. So a fragment is missing either a subject or a predicate or verb. Predicate and verb are the same. A statement is a sentence that tells something. A question asks something. And all sentences, as we know, begin with a capital letter and end with a period or a question mark or some kind of punctuation at the end. Let's take a look at some examples. So our job in this practice is to figure out which ones are sentences and which ones are fragments. You'll notice that some of these are missing capital letters and punctuation. We'll take a look at that in just a second. Okay, so number 1, I can't find my homework. If we think back to our fundamentals of sentence writing steps, we're going to mark these sentences finding the subject and the verb first. So if we use our mark steps, we ask, is there a verb, an action, a body action, a mind action? And the verb in this case is find. Remember, V for verb. Then root out the subject. Who or what can't find? Well, I can't find it. Okay. In this sentence, while it is missing a period, it is still a complete thought. So this one is a sentence. Number 2, underneath the basement stairs. So mark steps. Let's see here. Ask, is there a verb? Underneath the basement stairs. I don't see any mind actions. No body action, so it's missing a verb already. So if it's missing a verb, chances are it's not going to have a subject either. So this one is a fragment. I'm just going to put a little F here at the end to signify that that's a fragment. Number 3, the children don't know the answer. Okay, ask, is there a verb, mind or body? Aha, this is a mind verb or predicate. No. Who or what didn't know? The children didn't know. This is a complete sentence. Number 4, scratched his head with suspicion. Let's see. Got a verb. Here, scratched. Who or what scratched? Well, I see his, but his isn't a subject. Who or what scratch is going to come before? So this is missing a subject. The sentence is also a fragment. And number 5, Luz and John know the answer. All right, root out ask, is there a verb? Yep, it's a mind one. Knew. Who or what knew? There are 2 subjects, John and Luz. This is a complete sentence. Boys and girls, your practice for today is grammar page number 1. You're going to need to write sentence, question, or fragment for each group of words. Write each group of words as a sentence with the correct punctuation. So you're going to have 2 things on the line, and let me show you here. Okay. The cat feeds her kittens. So I'm going to rewrite this sentence with the correct punctuation. It needs a capital letter. The cat feeds her kittens. Needs a period at the end. This is a complete thought, so I'm going to write the sentence behind the sentence. Okay. Your job is to finish the page. Boys and girls, I am going to show you one more example where the question is a fragment. So number 2, is very hungry today. In order to complete this problem accurately, separately. I need to rewrite it so that it makes sense. So I can add in here, the cat is very hungry today. And then when I look back at the original, in number 2, this is a fragment because I know it's missing a subject. I found the verb. The verb was is, who or what is not there. The cat is what I had to add. So this is a sentence fragment.